Hey, how's it going, Dave? My name's Joe with Metro Design. Today I'm going to show you 3 things you can do to boost your online presence, get you higher in the Google rankings, and bring you in some of those leads you're missing out on. So, content is king. Google loves a lot of words and a big built-out website. So on your home page, Google wants to see between 1,500 and 2,000 words. On your back pages, Google likes to see between 500 and 700 words. So if we scroll real quick, obviously, you can tell you don't have that 1,500, it's 2,000 words that Google wants. You're close to about 400 words on your home page. So definitely, you also want to throw in some keywords into your content. Keywords are what people are searching for. So your instant, it would be like home appliance service and blah blah blah. So that would be a keyword. Some keywords are better than others. Some have higher search volumes, so you want to find those ones and throw them in the content. That will definitely help you rank. As far as your back pages, as far as the numbers, they were all over the place. Another one was like 400. So not quite hitting that mark that we want to see, that 500 to 700 word mark. We also want, those keywords that we were talking about earlier. That'll definitely help you rank. And content is king, so definitely need to focus on getting some more words in there. And it's relatively super easy. So if we come over here, look at your competitor. He has about the same words that you did, honestly. On his homepage, he was about 600. You were about, 400, I believe. But on his back pages, they were a little less than yours, and they were all over the place as well. So basically the same content. So if we reach that mark that Google likes to see, that 1,500 to 2,000 word mark and the 500 to 700 word mark, you could easily beat him with content. So definitely something to keep in mind. Next, we'll talk about citations. So citations are your business name, address, and phone number on different websites. The more you have, the easier it is for Google to rank you in the Google Map Pack. So as you can see, this is yours, sitting at 14. Competitor, sitting at 33. So with this is what I use, Whitespark. You can come in here, type the information in, go out there and find all 33, the ones that you're missing, and you'll be sitting right there level with him. The thing with that is, you may or may not rank him that way, and if you do take number 1 or number 2, he's going to know he's not on top anymore, and he's going to go out hire an expert to go get more. So what me and my team do is we pile him on quickly. So by the time he knows what's going on, it's really too late. We can pile on 100 plus. By the time he knows what's going on, it's really almost too late to just go out there and get some more, hire an expert, because we'll be watching it from now on. So that's all for citations, pretty straightforward. Next is backlinks. Once it loads, come on. Alright, so this is your information right here. You're sitting at 10 websites that have 21 backlinks going to you. Backlinks bring power to your website. So the more you have, Google thinks you're more popular, so they push you to the top. Backlinks are different websites that have a link going back to your website. So once again, the more you have, Google thinks you're more popular, push you to the top. The thing with backlinks to keep in mind is you want more quality over quantity. I can go out there and get 20 backlinks. Somebody can come in and get 10 quality backlinks and beat me every time. So that's the thing we want to keep in mind. Quality over quantity. If we go out and get your competitor, I'll show you what he's doing. I'll show you why he's number one. So bear with me. Alright, so keep in mind 10 and 21. This will load up. Alright. Alright, so here we go. Here's this guy's information. That's why he's sitting at number one. And you're not. So 113 websites, bringing in 2.2 thousand backlinks. So that's a lot of backlinks. I can guarantee most of them are probably spammy, not good quality. So more often than not, we don't need to go out and get 2.2 thousand backlinks, because once again, quality is better than quantity. So, but he has a lot of big numbers, so that's why he's on top. And that's basically all the three things I wanted to show you today. Content, citations, and backlinks. Those are the three things Google pays attention to. That's the three things my team pays attention to get your online presence up there, get you some of those leads. So thanks for watching. You can contact me through Facebook or call or text me at 515-468-3039. Thanks.